Tahini is the main ingredient in several international dishes, most commonly found in hummus. Due to its rich taste, tahini can be mixed in a wide variety of dishes like spreads, salad dressing, or dips. But studies show that daily intake of tahini, especially when added in hummus, can provide outstanding health benefits. Tahini health benefits. Number 1. It is incredibly nutritious. The main health benefit that comes from eating tahini is related to impressive nutritional content. It is rich in healthy fats, fibers, thiamine, vitamin B6, phosphorus, and manganese. All these elements are essential for better energy production in the body. Number 2. It is rich in antioxidants. Tahini is packed with lignans, antioxidants that counteract the effects of free radical damage. That is why this ingredient can diminish the risk of developing several health problems. Studies show tahini might help deal with liver cancer and prevent its evolution. Number 3. It aids the immune system. A great health benefit of tahini is its anti-inflammatory properties. A couple of studies reveal that the high content of sesamin in tahini might lower inflammation and pain due to injury, lung problems, or rheumatoid arthritis. Number 4. It might better brain health. Research reveals that tahini has a unique composition that might lower the risk of experiencing neurodegenerative problems, such as dementia. This happens because of the sesamin content that can go farther than the blood-brain barrier. In this way, it has a direct impact on the central nervous system. Of course, additional research is required to observe the long-term effects of tahini on brain health. Number 5. It shields liver and kidneys against damage. Tahini might aid in flushing out toxins, thus ultimately protecting both kidneys and liver from damage. Also, scientists believe that regular consumption of tahini might lower the fat production in the liver, which eventually diminishes the risk of developing fatty liver disease.